In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a category menu in Wix. Whether you're managing a blog or an online store, organizing your content into categories can really enhance user experience by making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. Let's go step by step through the process of adding this useful feature to your site. First, you want to open up Wix. Head to the Wix homepage and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll arrive at your main dashboard. From here, you'll see various options to manage your website. Locate the Edit Site button, which will take you to the Wix editor, where all the magic happens. Click on that to proceed. Now that you're in the Wix editor, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Look for an icon that resembles a plus sign. This is your Add Element button. By clicking this plus icon, a new menu will open, giving you access to a variety of elements you can add to your site, such as images, text, and more. Next, you want to find the blog option from this pop-up menu. It might be tempting to explore all the cool features Wix offers, but for today, focus on selecting blog. Clicking on this will reveal blog-related elements that you can implement, including our target for today, the category menu. Once you see the category menu option, go ahead and click on it. Immediately below the category menu that you just clicked, you'll notice some more options appearing. Don't get overwhelmed. Simply look for the below category menu prompt. This typically offers different styles or functionalities for your category menu, allowing you to customize it according to the aesthetic and functional needs of your website. After you've settled on the type of category menu you'd like, it's time to implement it on your site. Click and hold the menu, dragging it onto your web page. Place it wherever you think it would be most beneficial for your visitors. Consider your overall site design when deciding where to position your menu. A well-placed category menu not only enhances navigation, but also contributes positively to your website's flow and user engagement. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a category menu on your Wix site, categorizing your content, making it more structured and user-friendly. It's a fantastic way to help your visitors find what they need quickly and can really set your site apart by offering a seamless browsing experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on making your website the best it can be. Thanks for watching and happy creating with Wix.